baby. I'm sorry.
Damn you fucking cat! Tap won't leave you alone!
Uncle John, why are you here?
You arrived here with significant blood loss. The man who brought you here requested that I ensure you receive proper care.
And stop. Yes, sir.
Doctor said nothing, just stroke my fur. Then my tears.
Take him to the hospital now that you've finally found him.
Yes, sir.
Then someone came and called me.
I found the boy, Elex. Please make sure the doctor takes care of the boy while I'm away.
This is what we have to do.
Uncle John, did they leave their business cards?
Don't worry about that. Be quiet.
Mike, you will be discharged tomorrow. Make sure to get a guardian's signature. Reach out to your family.
Uncle John, will that man come back? I want to thank him.
He will come tomorrow.
Thanks, Mr. John. I'll pick up the kid today.
Mike, let's go.
Bye, Uncle John.
His gaze turned cold. His words grew few. Told me you must not return here.
From now on, Mike, I am your father. You can call me Dad.
Daddy.
Sir, it's time for dinner.
I know. Let the young master eat first. I have urgent business and need to go out.
Yes, sir.
Uncle Leo, Dad's birthday is approaching. Would you like to go into his office to surprise him?
Okay.
What are you doing here, Mike? Who allowed you to enter?
I'm sorry, Dad.
Master, you rest. I'll serve you outside.
I know.
How's everything I assigned you to do?
I did as you told me. Everything went smoothly.
Good.
Who is he? Why does he look so much like me? Where's everyone's mom and dad?